Since BlackBerry bounced back with such strength, its supporters are juiced up at the prospect of finally surpassing this long-standing range within the next 4 weeks. This green aura has largely been powered by a partnership with the great green giant NVIDIA for integrating QNX OS for Safety 8.0 with NVIDIA's IGX Thor platform and Halo safety stack, allowing developers to build safety-critical edge AI systems for robotics, medical devices, and industrial automation by combining QNX's real-time, deterministic operating system with NVIDIA's high-performance AI computing. The unified platform allows both safety functions and AI-driven capabilities like perception and decision-making to operate together, simplifying system design, supporting certification, and speeding development. Since this move extends a long-standing relationship between the companies and pushes QNX beyond its traditional automotive base into broader physical AI applications, many investors see this as strong validation of QNX's technology and a potential turning point for BlackBerry's growth. Which is why, even if price can't stay over 5 heading into May, triggering a sizable correction sooner or later, it won't be viewed with as much bearish sentiment, because QNX is also expanding in automotive, most prominently through its selection by Leapmotor for a new electric SUV featuring a centralized, software-defined architecture that integrates cockpit systems, advanced driver assistance, and connectivity. At the same time, leaning to a more shallow incline can still be fueled by other long-term bullish BlackBerry roots that are digging in around its strengthening secure communications business through partnerships in defense and government sectors, including collaborations focused on naval systems and encrypted communications. So you could say BlackBerry has sown the seeds that transitioned it from a smartphone maker into a software and cybersecurity company. QNX now powers critical systems in hundreds of millions of vehicles and is increasingly used in robotics, healthcare, and industrial environments. And with a growing backlog of contracts, diversification beyond automotive, and rising demand for safety-critical AI infrastructure, BlackBerry is reaping the rewards of renewed investor interest. When looking at Lucid, there's no denying a long, medium, and short-term bearish advantage. However, sellers could soon be getting exhausted and may need a bit of a nap. A perfect opportunity for a lucid dream or two, where falling price can relax and roll around in the $7 to $6 range before considering its trek towards the $5 threshold. Such a view is built on the premise of short-term bearish overextension for a technical bounce, along with fundamental catalysts that have charged up some bullish circles as of late. In the bigger picture, the most prominent issue is ongoing share dilution, as repeated capital raises, while necessary, reduce existing shareholder value. This ties directly to Lucid's persistent cash burn and lack of profitability, which remain unresolved despite fresh funding. It's still far from self-sustaining, and its reliance on external capital, particularly from Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund, raises questions about long-term financial independence. It's also been hindered by production disruptions, such as the 29-day supplier issue that hurt deliveries. Weak demand signals and a sustained steep stock decline reinforce the perception that Lucid remains a bullish dream, especially as competitors dominate headlines and scale faster. However, there are still credible reasons for bullish backing, because it still manages to secure significant financial backing, like the new investments tied to its partnership with Uber, which not only improves liquidity, but validates Lucid's technology. The expanded robotaxi deal, now targeting at least 35,000 vehicles, positions Lucid within a potentially massive autonomous mobility market, offering upside beyond luxury EV sales. Some positivity also lingers around its technology, which centers on the range and efficiency demonstrated by the Gravity SUV. Additionally, leadership changes, like a new CEO, could contribute to excitement for change. Regardless, even if Lucid's dreams were to materialize, market pessimism remains a real obstacle towards the $10 boundary, if price can even reach it. As for Plug Power, it's undergoing an evolution Lucid looks for. A potentially momentous turnaround was marked by poking out of this long-term range, helped by revenue growing steadily and the achievement of a positive gross margin in late 2025, a dramatic improvement from deeply negative levels before. Then the continuation of this uptrend could be aided by persisting positivity about management under new CEO Jose Luis Crespo that stresses cost discipline, efficiency, and a clear path to profitability, targeting EBITDA positivity by 2026 and full profitability by 2028. New contract wins and expanding partnerships with major customers like Amazon and Walmart add extra enthusiasm, along with reducing costs by producing hydrogen in-house, which could materially improve margins over time. Its positioning in the hydrogen economy offers long-term upside if clean energy adoption accelerates. However, the bearish case that dominated for many years hasn't fully been put to rest just yet. Plug is plagued by having a long history of losses and lack of delivering sustained profitability, along with a large deficit and negative cash flow, making share dilution a major concern, as the company has repeatedly issued stock to fund operations and may continue to do so, especially given its ongoing cash burn. Even with improving margins, the business is still far from generating consistent free cash flow. Analysts remain cautious, with price targets below current trading levels, signaling skepticism about the sustainability of recent gains. The stock's history of sharp rallies followed by declines reinforces concerns that this could be another short-lived surge rather than a durable turnaround. High short interest and a track record of missed or revised targets further underline risk. So if Plug can sustain a presence at or above $3 as the year moves along, lasting bullish sentiment could finally arrive. Whereas failing to hold the moderate incline and falling back to the low $2 range can represent a return back to old ways.